In the event that you're searching for Uniswap cost expectations estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to as far as plans and purposes might be aware where the costs of Uniswap UNI will go later on in an unpretentious way. We will investigate the previous costs of Uniswap UNI and will especially figure out what specialists truly are talking about its future cost activities, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Kindly in a real sense remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this in a real sense is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also foreseeing something so amazing basically is totally incomprehensible. In any case, we will fundamentally make an honest effort. We should begin incredibly. Uniswap exceptionally past value examination as per the especially the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Uniswap is $4.28, and UNI sort of is right now commonly positioned number 27 in the whole crypto-biological system, or so they thought. The dissemination supply of Uniswap is 577,501,031 with a market cap of $2,473,761,134. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Uniswap's cost sort of has shown a decent increment of 1.38% as of now. Uniswap is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in a really significant manner. The UNI is down to nearly 3.37% in the very most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for genuinely beyond couple of days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't explicitly believe that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of UNI diminished by 32.297%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $2.04 from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a decent sort of purchase, a valuable open door for by and large speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change is near 35.08%, and the cost circled from a base typical cost of $6.10 to greatest normal cost of $6.70 in the beyond 90 days in an unpretentious way. Uniswap especially is somewhere near 22.50%, with the most extreme typical cost of the coin certainly was around $5.27, and the very least typical cost of truly was around $5.15 in beyond 4 months, which is genuinely critical. We really anticipate future Uniswap cost expectations UNI figure, by applying profound man-made reasoning, help specialized examination on the very past value information of Uniswap. We fundamentally do are essentially awesome to explicitly gather truly most extreme verifiable information for the UNI coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Uniswap market cap, Uniswap volume, and especially barely any more in a very significant manner. Assuming you in every way that really matters, are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money, and for the most part need great profit from commonly your ventures, certainly try to peruse our expectations, which is very huge. Uniswap value expectation 2023, according to the figure and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Uniswap for the most part is supposed to basically reach it in every practical sense, least value worth of $7.69. The UNI cost can arrive at a sort of most extreme value worth of $8.44, with a typical worth of $7.96. Uniswap value expectation 2024 Uniswap cost explicitly is figured to essentially arrive at a fundamentally the least really conceivable degree of $11.13 in 2024. According to our discoveries, the UNI cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme conceivable degree of $13.22, with a by and large normal figure cost of $11.45, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Which is genuinely critical. UNI value gauge for 2025 the cost of Uniswap is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $15.58 in 2025, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Uniswap cost could for the most part arrive at a truly greatest worth of $19.64, with the typical exchanging cost of $16.16 all through 2025, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Uniswap UNI value expectation 2026 Uniswap cost is estimate to in every way that really matters, arrive at a least conceivable degree of $23.52 in 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. According to our discoveries, the UNI cost could arrive at a really most extreme conceivable degree of $27.34, with a truly normal estimate cost of $24.17 in a very significant manner. Which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Uniswap is in a real sense anticipated to reach it in every way that really matters, least worth of $32.81 in 2027. The Uniswap cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $40.08, with the typical exchanging cost of $33.78 all through 2027. Uniswap Value Expectation 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of UNI, in 2028, the cost of Uniswap is anticipated to, in a real sense, reach of least degree of $49.83. The UNI cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $57.42, with the typical exchanging cost of $51.52. Or so they in every practical sense thought. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2029. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2029, the cost of Uniswap is generally anticipated to explicitly reach at a really least degree of $71.35, which is very critical. The UNI cost can by and large arrive at a most extreme degree of $86.78, with the kind of typical exchanging cost of $73.42 in an every way that really matters, significant way. In an unpretentious manner. Uniswap Value Conjecture 2030. The cost of Uniswap is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $104.04 in 2030, which is genuinely huge. The Uniswap cost can arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $124.07, with the typical cost of $107.71 all through 2030, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In a significant manner. Uniswap UNI Value Expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of UNI, in 2031, the cost of Uniswap in every practical sense is estimated to, in every practical sense, be at around a base worth of $152.18, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Uniswap value worth can fundamentally arrive at a limit of $181.09, with the typical exchanging worth of $156.49 in United States dollars, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Uniswap Value Expectation 2032. The cost of one Uniswap is supposed to reach at a truly least degree of $217.36 in 2032. The UNI cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $264.71, with the typical cost of $225.18 all through 2032, or so they explicitly thought. Incredibly. Uniswap Value Gauge Facts. Most certainly is Uniswap UNI a wise venture? Uniswap's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as lack will in general energize cost ascend in a significant way. Kindly note, there generally is a gamble to any speculation, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Just for the most part put resources into what you can fundamentally achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the sort of greatest exploration certainly conceivable in an unobtrusive manner. How essentially will Uniswap be in every practical sense, worth in 5 years, or so they thought.